Hi, this is Easy Ukulele, Frere Jacques, using C and G7, our wonderful G7 chord. So here we go. The song is Frere Jacques. It starts on a C. Frere Jacques, Frere Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonne les matines, ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong. I'll do it one more time since this is so short. Frere Jacques, Frere Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous,